Hello guys, and we are gonna get to another mini game. It's called Bow Blitz, and I think the thing is the object of the game is shooting people with a bow. I know it's weird. Okay, so we're connecting to the realm. Come on. Doesn't usually take this long. Come on. The awesome music. Okay, there we go. I think it's. I'm gonna turn the music down. Joining world. Okay, there we go. Click. Okay, what? Start game. Click the button to select an. I'm gonna pick this one. Wait, actually,
That one looks kind of cool.
that one's nice.
Why?
Yeah.
I like the
There we go. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, how do you create a team then? Okay, what do we do?
Hi, Dad.
Okay, what do we do? Good. Oh my gosh. I'm not losing any hearts.
Because water can't kill me.
Yes, I can.
Oh, sure.
Only for 2 rounds. Okay, come on. Slash T. There. Unknown command? Okay, I'm just not gonna do this game.
Two more players to play.
I know. Okay, which one should we do?
Choose an empty
I don't want to do sprint racer again.
Halloween shots.
What?
There's a Halloween one.
Okay, let's try this one.
This one looks cool.
It's like the music you hear like when you're waiting for a doctor to come in.
It's weird.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why, but I don't.
Okay, wait, I don't need that anymore. There we go. Halloween shows. What do we do?
We need to get some stuff.
Check out our social media website. Oh, that's nice. You're all waving to me.
It's creepy.
No,
They're just waving at you.
Okay, what do we do?
Go into the house. Go into the house.
Okay. Whoa.
Get the chest. Get the chest. Get locked. Get locked.
Wait, I think I know what to do right here. I open this. Oh, is it that one?
No, they're not. We need to get some stuff.
Ah, how do I get this?
Just get some stuff. We need stuff. We need some stuff.
I don't have anything right now, though. So
We need stuff.
I know, I do. What do I do in this game?
Keep going. Go around. See what happens. I don't know. So.
Ooh, there's a house.
Go into the house. Might be like a haunted house or something.
Boring. Time. Pumpkins. What's this? Whoa! Ew! Wow, wow, wow. Ew, that's disgusting. Wait, right click on the sign to change. Wait, on the sign. Oh. Woohoo! What did I do? 10. 25. What does that do? Witch giggles. Oh no. There's a witch. I don't want to die. Time. Okay.
That's 5 minutes.
I don't want 5 minutes. I want more than that. Okay, I can't. Okay, there we go.
That's it.
10 minutes.
You don't have that much time.
What? That's 1 minute. I need
5 minutes is your best time.
Oh yeah, 5.
You don't have that much.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Go in.
Wait, what? What does this say? View the tutorial to unlock. Click here to teleport. Start game. Right click. What?
Oh, you just go into that castle.
No, this is not the castle. Oh yeah, it is. How? Why did I teleport? Where's the door? Whoa!
What the?
I'm gonna turn that off. There. Wait, I wanna kill you. What the heck? What are you doing?
He has a hammer.
Are you
And he has
giving?
pumpkins.
Whoa. Whoa, what's up there? I wanna go up there. Hey, kid. Hey, what you want? What you want? What you want? Wait, is that a fire? It's not a fire. Are you still doing that? Wow, you're weird.
It says something about him.
Wait, stealing. Sneak an enemy base to steal pumpkins. How do I do that?
Okay, go up somewhere that you don't know anywhere.
Ooh,
That's the 5. You can't go.
I'm trying to open it. Whoa! Oh shoot!
Go up there.
Huh?
Click start game.
What is he doing?
I don't know. Right click.
On his nose? What the heck? 15 seconds. 14. What do I do in
You're
this
trying
game?
to.
Red team. I'm on red team. I wanna select red team. What? What? What just happened? Da-da, da-da, da-da. Total kill. Oh, I try to kill people. Let's get it.
Get that guy off.
I'm trying to kill people, and they're waving at me.
Try this.
Eh. Wait, I feel like I should go into the haunted castle. Yeah. Wait, I feel like something with that guy is weird.
There's area blocks, so you can't get in.
What do I do? What are you doing?
He's pointing up there. Something's happening.
What do I do up there?
Go up there. I don't know, but go up there. He's pointing up there.
Wait, I want some of this. Whoa, wherever I go, these things, go. Ooh, what is this?
Pumpkin.
Okay, boring.
Go up
Man, what do I do in this mini game?
there. You need a team, so go up there and I don't know what you're supposed to leave.
Why?
Just left. Leave that. Hey, what do you do?
Let me check what I have. I want stuff. Ooh.
You can get clay.
No. What do I really need? Show it.
Oh,
Craft.
you can't craft anything. You need stuff.
Oh, that's sad. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do I do?
Nothing.
Weakness. Okay. Why is he still doing that? Let me click it again. He can do different things. I want to mine gold.
He's looking at the time.
Whoa, a blaze? Wait, that's not a blaze.
There's a gold block.
Whoa!
Get down.
Okay. But I want to do all this stuff.
But you can't.
What do I do?
I don't know.
Oh,
Wait, go. No, don't press it. Don't press it. No. You have to have teams.
I'm gonna be red team. I selected the red team.
You're just
Two.
gonna get sent out.
One. Least. Oh, come on! I got sent out again.
No, go, turn around. Turn around. Keep going like this. Go to different rooms. And check them out.
There is no other room.
Go back out. Back out. Back out. No, go back. One, two.
That's small. Okay. What do you want me to do?